Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we're unboxing the journaling kit, the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and the Stationery Kit from the April 2026 Booked for Spring collection. Okay, I am really looking forward to sharing with you the contents of the Booked for Spring journaling kit. It is so much fun, and I think you're going to love how colorful and cheerful this kit is. Okay, so we have in this kit 2 packages of rub-on transfers. These rub-on transfers are really versatile. You can see here by looking at it that not only are there a lot of fun decorative images, because you can see the birds and the notebooks and the coffee cups and all of that, but there's also some different words to help you maybe be a little bit functional if you choose to. So the days of the weeks, the appointments, things like that. And I also want to note, if you're new here, that the journaling kit is all sort of thinner material. So if you don't like a lot of bulk in your projects, this is absolutely the kit for you. Rub-on transfers, for example, they have little to no bulk added to the page. They're just absolutely wonderful for that. And if you haven't used them, I think you're going to love them. They're wonderful. All right, now we also have a sticker kit that is on our vellum sticker paper. So it's a little bit thinner than traditional sticker paper. And again, that's wonderful if you don't love bulk. So we have a sheet of decorative stickers. And as you can see, there is a mix of different images, and then we have some of the washi type strips down below. We have a sheet of green alphabet stickers. There is a really nice functional sheet that has days of the week. It also has dates and then these labels down at the bottom. All right, then we have 2 full sheet stickers. All you have to do is, if you would like to use them as is, you can just peel it off and use this entire sheet. You can also cut it with scissors. You can also use like dies, metal dies, to cut different shapes out, those types of things. It's really a versatile tool. I personally really always love cutting them and using them for like big corner accents. I think that's fun. So we have the stacks of books with the different birds and plants and things, and then we have this stripe page as well. And then there is also one more sheet that has some decorative elements and then also some washi type strips at the bottom. We also include this very cute 4x6 card that has the fun little scene on it. And then when you turn it over, it also includes 10 journaling prompts that you can use to do your journaling practice or to jumpstart your journaling. There's also a roll of standard width washi tape with just the sweetest little rainbow of flowers on it. Hopefully you can get a good look at those cuties because they're just absolutely so cute. And I love that they're in sort of a rainbow configuration. It's really adorable. So again, this is the journaling kit from our Booked for Spring collection, and you can take a look at images, digital renderings, and project ideas on our website. How about we take a look at the Deluxe Journaling Kit? This kit comes in our heavy plastic folder that also includes a Velcro closure. It means obviously it is wonderful for storing your kits, but it's also great for storing other items once you've used up your kit or taking your kits on the go. Now in this kit, this is a true mix of products. It includes some items from the planner kit, some items from the journaling kit, and then also a handful of exclusive items you won't find anywhere else. So first up, we have 3 sheets of patterned paper that are scored. They are 13 by 8.5 inches, and they're scored down the center so that you can use them in a myriad of ways. So this first one has the tags that resemble library, like the cards from books at the beginning. And then on the inside, it has this beautiful watercolor pattern that has the sort of distressed vintage text along the outside. Then we have this beautiful green floral pattern it's just really very lovely and easy to use. And then on the inside, we have all of these silly little birds doing silly little bird things. And last but not least, there is this fun stacked book scene with the birds and then some plants and things like that. And then when you flip this over, there is this orange pattern that is also very easy to use. All right, now exclusive to this kit, there are an additional couple pieces of patterned paper that are really, really wonderful for layering. So as you can see here, this side has the ledger paper in two different colors, this yellow and then this aqua. When you turn the yellow over, it has this light orange / peach polka dot, and then this side has this light green grid. So these two patterned papers are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. Now there are also two pieces of specialty paper included in the Deluxe Journaling Kit. The first is this beautiful sheet of sort of a pinky rose kind of color, and it has, you know, like a little bit of texture. And then this sheet of gold foil vellum that has the little plus signs. It's really just wonderful. I absolutely love using vellum in my journals, but I also love using it for layering as well. Tearing vellum is just such a satisfying experience. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It's absolutely wonderful. Now we also have a sheet of our PET stickers, and these are kiss cut. So that what that means is that you just peel them up and they will work, which is wonderful, because if you have been using PET stickers for any length of time, you'll know that not all of them come kiss cut. So it's really great. You can just peel them up and use them and stick them to the paper. As I say in other videos when I have this problem, this is a Jennie thing. This is not with the stickers. I just sometimes have a hard time starting my stickers. So as you can see, you just peel it up and it is wonderful. And so many cute designs on this sheet, am I right? Okay, so then we also have two sheets of our rub-on transfers. And these rub-on transfers are also included in our journaling kit. And you can see here, there's lots of decorative images, but there's also a few words and phrases that will help you be functional or keep track of things, or, you know, however you choose to use these. There is also a kit of vellum stickers, and these are also included in our journaling kit. Now, I'm going to show these to you. They're all on vellum sticker paper. So for example, right here, we have a sheet that has decorative stickers and then some washi type strips at the bottom. Then we have a sheet that has the days of the week and some dates and then some labels. There is a sheet of alphabet stickers. I love this size too, by the way. It's great for titles, it's great for headings, things like that. We also have two sheets of full sheet stickers. So this whole thing is one large sticker. You can use it as it is, just simply peel it up and stick it. And I see people do this in like monthly dividers, and I think it looks really cool. Like sometimes they'll add other elements to it, or you can cut it with scissors, or even use metal dies to cut up these. It really works well. And then last but not least, we also have this sheet that has some decorative stickers and then some more washi type strips down at the bottom. So what's great about these is that because they're printed on the vellum sticker paper, they're a little bit thinner and they just really add less bulk to your projects. Now, also included in this kit is a super cute decorative card, but on the back is also 10 journaling prompts. So if you need a little bit of help getting started journaling, or adding, you know, if you're just drawing a blank on what to journal about, you can use one of these 10 to help you journal. And this is also included in our, you guessed it, our journaling kit. Now we do have a package of die cut stickers and tabs, and these are also included in our planner kit. They're so fun and cute. And all you have to do is peel the back off and then stick them right to whatever you're working on. You don't have to add any additional adhesive or anything like that. So there's just a wide variety of different little pieces included here. Okay, so we also have a sticky notepad. Look how cute that is. It's got the vintage typewriter and then also the little checklist. So you can definitely use this as a great checklist for getting things done all month long. And this month we have a super fun stamp set. This is our Build a Shelf stamp set. Look how cute that is. So you have the shelf, and then you have some single books, you have a stack of books, and then some different plants. So you could create like a little bookshelf all of your own. It'll be totally unique. You can color it in, you can leave it as it is, however you choose to use it. But it's a really, really fun stamp set that I think we're all gonna get a lot of use out of and have fun playing with. And then of course there is also a roll of washi tape. This is our standard width washi tape, and it has a green background with all of those cute little white flowers we've seen on some of the patterned papers. Isn't that fun? So this is the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see images, digital renderings, and project examples using this kit on our website. Let's go ahead and check out our stationery kit from the Booked for Spring collection. All right, first up we have a couple of really cute specialty, I'll say papers, but they're not papers. First is our, look at this, the overlay. It's so cute. It's got these bookshelves with the little bird reading a book plus plants. And if you're not familiar with our overlays, they're like an acetate, or if you were old enough to have had overhead projectors in schools, those materials that teachers used to use. Then we have this beautifully printed vellum. I love adding these to my notebooks and my journals, but there's lots of ways to use these different products in your projects. They're great for journals, planners, scrapbooks, all of it. We also have a sheet of Kiss Cut PET stickers, and not only does this sheet have a wide variety of different types of images like plants and flowers and birds and books, and then even coffee and tea, but the best part about these is that they're Kiss Cut. So sometimes PET stickers you have to trim them and then pull them off the page. There's none of that here. You can simply just, sorry, I always have trouble with this and I have to make sure I'm doing it on the right side. Pull them right off the sticker sheet. This is a Jennie problem, not a sticker problem. So you just pull them off, and so they're like a regular sheet of stickers, and that is incredibly exciting because it makes these so easy to use. Now we also have a package of vellum die cut stickers. So instead of the traditional cardstock stickers in some of the other kits, these are all on our vellum sticker paper. There is, just like all of the other packages, just a wide variety of different types of images included. So you have lots of the fun little birds, but we also have books. So there's lots of different things included here. All right, and then we have a really lovely little postcard this month. And these postcards are printed on, I'm gonna say like a watercolor type paper. It's a little bit heavier, it's got texture. It's just so lovely. And then on the back, obviously there's room for an address and a stamp and a message should you choose to send this to a loved one, which is a great option. All right, this month we also have a Build a Bookshelf stencil. So I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to use this piece right here so that hopefully you can see this stencil. So there are little pieces that look like the shelves, and then there's also all kinds of different books and bookends, and then like vases or bowls and leaves and flowers and just everything that you could want to decorate a different little bookshelf with. So I think that's going to be so much fun, and I bet a lot of us are going to get a considerable amount of use out of this month. All right, we also have 3 sticker sheets. We have this first one with the different days of the week on it. We have this second one that has all of the different books. And then we also have this one with the birds and the different speech bubbles as well. There is a pad of sticky notes. You can see right here, they just look like a tag. It's super cute, honestly, because it's lined too. It's going to be great for different types of lists, but I also think this is going to be fun in projects like for layering as well. So I look forward to using this one definitely. Now we have something very exciting this month. We have an extra large enamel pin. Life happens, coffee helps. And then on the back, because it's so large, it has 2 little places to attach. Isn't that so cute? All right, so the last thing included in this kit is a great little roll of washi tape. And it is our standard width washi tape. And it has polka dots on the background, like different color polka dots. And then we also have birds and plants and books included, and it's just adorable. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use regardless of how you use it. Like if you put it in a planner or a notebook or scrapbooks or whatever, it's just really usable and really versatile. All right, so if you would like to see photos of this or digital renderings or projects using this stationery kit from the Booked for Spring collection, you can check those out on our website.